Happy Monday, guys. Today's workout is going to be full body HIIT. You're going to have 10 exercises, 10 to 20 reps per exercise, 15 seconds rest between each set, and to repeat 3 rounds total. The household items you'll need is 2 soup cans or something equivalent to 1 to 2 pounds, 1 hand towel, 1 laundry detergent, 1 chair or couch. Start with your feet shoulder width apart, shoulders back, chest up, drive those arms towards the ceiling. Nice, easy, soft landing, hands flat on the ground. Kick your feet back, nice and easy on the Achilles. Stay in the plank position and repeat. No push-up for this exercise. Start in a plank position, hands about shoulder width apart, both feet on the center of the towel. Start off dropping the chest and hips at the same time. Once you get to full extension, bring the knees in the chest, drive all the way back out to a plank, smooth and steady, no jerky motions. Start with your feet shoulder width apart. Turn the toes out slightly, shoulders back, chest up, holding the weight between the feet, center of the body. Hinge from the hips, shoulders back, chest up, driving through those heels, relaxing the grip all the way through. Start with your stance, just inside shoulder width. Stay squared up, hips and shoulders squared, navel tight. Drop the weight all the way straight down with gravity. Retract the scapula, pull elbow towards the ceiling. Start with one foot on top of the chair, opposite foot 90 degrees out in front, bending that knee, shoulders back, chest up, maintain good posture, drive the arms up towards the ceiling, nice, easy, soft landing. Place the hands on top of the chair, just outside the width of your hips, palms pressing through the chair, shoulders back, chest up, keeping the legs straight, sinking the hips, drive all the way through, focusing on squeezing the triceps. Start with one foot on top of the chair, shoulders back, chest up, keep your arms at 90 degrees, pump, get those knees up, soft, easy taps as you keep alternating all the way through. Start in the seated position, feet shoulder width apart, shoulders back, chest up, navel tight, spine is erect. Start with the weight on opposite side, full rotations, turning the shoulders all the way over. Right, left is 1, right, left is 2. Start laying flat on your back, legs crossed, straight out in front, 90 degrees, holding the resistance straight out in front, navel tight, smooth and steady, very small movement, reaching for those toes, under control, coming down. This is the last exercise. Start on your stomach, legs straight, arms out in front, grabbing the cans. You're gonna go ahead and extend. Do not arch the back. Reach all the way back. Hands touch the side of the hips. Bring it all the way back out in front. And nice and smooth, steady, easing it back down for 1 count.